I'm an international harvester.
Hello, and thank you for coming back to our show. This is how we operate a pig farm. And my name is Stephanie Reyes, and you will see my sow and her piglets. So throughout this video, you will learn what biosecurity is, what we should do right away after the sow's giving birth, some little tips about what to do with the piglets once they have their teeth grown out and everything. So you will learn a lot, okay? So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. Farrowing stalls provide easy access of food and water for the sow, and plenty of exercise room for the piglets. This keeps them from being crushed, and the piglets also have a heating pad to prevent chilling or what leads to death. So we have to make sure we're clean. Now, as we head in, we're gonna see a sow and hopefully some piglets. All right, follow me. So all this, the coat and the goggles, is to protect the well-being of the piglets and its sow. This is called biosecurity. Holy cow! Wait, wrong animal. The reason why piglets are removed from their mothers is because, one, it protects them from any kind of danger. Two, it also just, keeps them away from any kind of distraction. So it's important to keep the sow and her piglets safe. For example, if we weren't to do this, this would happen.
Yeah.
Oh no, the piglet's dead! That was one of the many examples of what a mother could do to her piglets, and this is why they're right away separated. The needle teeth are clipped to prevent potential damage to the sow's underline and teeth. Also to prevent facial injuries. To prevent tail biting, piglets' tails are clipped. Otherwise, the tail can become infected and lead to development of abscess in the spine. Piglets are also given an iron shot because the sow's milk is insignificant iron and prevents anemia. For recording and management procedures, piglets are also ear-notched, tattooed, tagged, or have an electric implant to help them track back to which sow it belongs to. Board taint is a real thing. If you have a male piglet, it must be castrated to prevent male board taint, or board taint affects the meat quality. Piglets need colostrum. This is the mother's milk, or referred as first milk. It is crucial to their life.
This isn't right. The pig is crushed.
Keeping the piglet and the sow together is very dangerous. As you saw in that video, the temperature has been changed to warm, or in other cases it can be turned to too cold. In this case, sows or their piglets do not like the too hot or the too cold. This can cause them to become very angry and very uncomfortable, which could lead to killing each other, potentially.
Maisie, come on. Maisie!
Maisie, come here, baby. She's being a deep. Come here.
Maisie, we have to pretend to clip your tail.
She goes. Maisie, come here. Come here.
With no tail.
You gotta cut your teeth. Ew, look at those nasty teeth.
This is not it, right?
Maisie, come here.